Hi everyone! Today I wanna try this gachapon. Waterproof. Let's go! This is the first one. What's coming? Okay, first capsule is orange. Orange capsule. What's coming? Let's see. Actually, this capsule is big. Oh, it has something like tray. Oh, what's this? Oh, I think I got a lion. Lion, look at this lion. Wow. Scary. Really. Wow, so scary. This one, lion. Wow. Okay, next one. Oh, big sound. Oh, this time pink. Pink capsule. Okay, okay. Oh, chimpanzee. Look at this. So ferocious. This one, oh my god. Scary. Okay, let's try next one. Oh, yellow. Yellow capsule. Oh, fuck. Hard. Okay. What's this? It's a hippo. Hippo. Look at this hippo. It has really huge mouth. Actually, it's cute. This one, hippo. Scary, but still very cute. Isn't it? Yeah, cute. Yeah. Okay, next one. Next capsule is yellow. Oh, I can't open. Oh, here we go. Oh, hippo again. This is the second one, right? Yeah, second hippo. Hippo. Oh, purple. Purple capsule. What's inside? Oh, can you see? My favorite cat. Oh, but look at this cat. Honestly, I like cats, but this cat scary. Oh wow. Scary. Okay, I want this bear and dog. Dog hasn't come yet. Please. I want bear. I want bear. What's coming? What's coming? Oh, what do you think? I think I got what I want. Yes! Bear! Oh my gosh, this bear! So scary. Wow! Very wild. Bear. Oh wow! But I like it. So, this dog. I want this dog. Dog, come on. Dog, come on. I want a dog. Oh, new color. This capsule is, yeah, new color, yeah? And the baby dog. Oh, bingo. Isn't it? Yeah. See? Wow. I got a dog. Yay. Dog. This dog is cute. Woohoo. Yay, I'm so happy. Okay. Just try the gachapon, this one. Takatomi, Wild-proof, and then all 6 kinds. This lion figure, bear, and hippo, and a chimpanzee, and dog, and a cat. 6 kinds. And this one is actually so cool. Scary but cool. And this figure has a really huge mouth. Yeah, scary, isn't it? And yeah, this cat, what do you think? This cat is not cute, scary. I love cats, but I don't want this cat as my pet. And this lion. Wow. Wow, look at his eyes. Yeah, he has tail. Wow. Really scary. This chimpanzee. So wild. And this dog. This is cute. Eyes are very sharp. And this hippo. Yeah, very cute. I like this hippo. Cute, isn't it? 2 hippos and 1 chimpanzee, and then dog and a cat, a bear, and a lion. 6 kinds. And actually I was very lucky. It took only 7 times to get all 6. I'm so lucky. I like this hippo the most. Yeah, so cute, isn't it? Wow, look at his his mouth. Teeth are very dirty. By the way, which one do you like the most? If you like, please leave a comment and please check out the other videos. Please do not forget to subscribe.